Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a local user account on Windows 11 using PowerShell, a powerful command line tool used by system administrators and IT professionals for automation and advanced system management. While you can certainly create a local user in other ways, some users prefer working with PowerShell for its speed, programmability, and greater control. Whether you're managing multiple devices, automating a deployment, or just want to get things done efficiently, PowerShell will make things much easier. Let's get started. Open a PowerShell window as an administrator. To use administrative commands like creating a user, you need elevated privileges and to make changes to the system without any restrictions. Then enter the command that appears on the screen. NetUser is a command built into Windows for managing user accounts. Then enter username. Replace this with the actual username you want to create. Then enter the password for the account. Then type /add. To add the account to Windows, press Enter to execute the command. This will create a local user named new user with the password you entered. You can now close the PowerShell window. To confirm and verify that the user account has been created, press Windows +R to open the Run window. Then enter the shortcut that appears on the screen, compmgmt.msc, and click OK. This will open the Computer Management window. From the left, navigate to Local Users and Groups, and then click Users. On the right side, you'll see the new account listed under Local Users. And that's it. Using PowerShell to create a local user is quick and efficient for anyone who wants to go beyond basic GUI tools. It's also a great step toward mastering Windows system administration. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay up to date with IT lessons. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.